right, guys. So here we are. We've got three 4-box breaks of 2019 Bowman Chrome. I haven't opened Bowman Chrome in a while, so I'm kind of excited about it. But here we go with box one for break one. This is all from a sealed case, so it's all the same thing. I had meant to be, start about an hour and a half ago, but football and basketball ran a little long. But I thought, thought it went really well, to be honest with you. All right, here we go. Bowman Chrome. I'm really excited. I like Bowman Chrome. I've hit some monsters. Just absolute monsters out of this. Bo Naylor to 25. That's a nice card. Jordan Grosjeans. Don't just stand there. Buster Posey. Buster Posey. Carter Kybum. Astudio, Tortuga. Davy Garcia, that's a nice card. Nice card. Dollar bill. Shervia Newton refractor auto. It's a nice hit. Nice card. Vladdy. Ha! Dollar bill back again. Pete Alonso rookie. I don't even remember. Tatis rookie. This is some nice cards. I don't even remember what you want out of this. Blue Jays, right? You want Blue Jays. The rookies don't even matter because they're so rare. I mean, they're just ridiculously rare. Miguel Cabrera to 150. But I mean, I guess, Mets, Padres, you already want the Blue Jays. Yankees. Eloy Jimenez, White Sox. Seth Beer, that's a nice one for the Astros. Seth Beer, that's a nice card. Two good autos. To be honest with you, the first box, they're both good autos. All right, box two. Yeah, right? Astros. Just so. Yeah, Giants make sense, sure. Matt Engler. Stat tracker. Bryce Terang. Paul DeJong. Evan White. Joey Bart. Connor Scott. Oh, wow. Look at that. Or Elvis. Nice card. Very nice. For the Blue Jays, 3 good autos. Taylor Trammell refractor. Miguel Amaya. I can't believe we got Bowman draft around the corner. Isn't that crazy? Duplantier? That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Mitch Haniger refractor. Rosario and Quantrill. Lewis Gill for the Yankees, blue auto. All right, 2 boxes to go in this this first break. Halfway through. Yeah, not too shabby, that's for sure. Kloppenstein, he's not the best auto. Kyle Mueller. Ronaldo Hernandez. Eloy Jimenez rookie. Gregory Soto Acuna. Pete Alonso to 150. 32 out of 150, Pete Alonso. Nice card. Genesis Cabrera, Joe Adele to 250. He's gonna help, sure. Carlos Hernandez. I just want to get him like broken in on some of the cheaper products before I, unleash him on Prism. But yeah, he's definitely gonna help. Davey Garcia, that's a nice card for the Yankees. Because Prism and Draft come out at the same time, it's gonna be it's gonna be hard. Drew Waters, so I definitely need somebody else. Dave, what's up? Yeah, exactly. Draft will be exactly like that. Vladdy rookie. As soon as we have a checklist, I'll put up the auction like right away. I'll probably do it really fast. It'll probably be 20 cases. And I'll probably do it for, maybe 24, 48 hours. And then based on that, we'll do a pick your player. And I might do that for, it might be 50 cases. And then we might do another one for 50, or we might do another one for 100. I don't know. It's just, woo! It's going to be fun. Or I might take that 20 and just go immediately to 100. Here's 100 cases. What do you want? They're a little different. And it's 2 different people. So I don't really, I'm sure each guy would prefer the other guy wasn't there. But this forum fills 10 case Bowman draft breaks like that. So I don't think it'll be a big deal. Dave's always done one. He's been doing them almost as long as I have. So, I'm more comfortable with Dave than I am the guys from the shop, to be honest with you. If I was going to join one, it'd be Dave. Not that the guys from the shop can't do it. I mean, it just... Brady Singer, Dave's been doing it for a long time. And he's pretty good at it. But they are slightly different. Prices are slightly different. They'll run it slightly different. But I wasn't too worried about 2 10-casers up at the same time. If it had been 2 20-casers or, something like that. Or if they had been the exact same price or just $1 off or something like that. But they're slightly different, so it's okay. Yankees, Lewis Gill again. Another Yankee. What's up? Same Yankee, actually. So it's not a problem. Ryan Rollison. And it won't affect my break, so. My breaks will definitely fill regardless. Turing. Ronaldo Hernandez. Laureano Refractor, rookie refractor. Connor Scott. Tyler Phillips for the Rangers. All right, guys, that is the first break. Ryan McKenna, Davey Garcia, Joe Adele, Pete Alonso to 150. It's a nice card. Muller, DeJong, Englert, Miguel Cabrera, Dollar Bill, Bo Naylor, orange to 25. And then autos, we've got some good autos. Tyler Phillips, Lewis Gill, Carlos Hernandez, Kloppenstein. Only one color, though. Lewis Gill, blue. But Seth Beer, Orelvis, and Shervian Newton. Those are three pretty good autos. That's what the photo is going to be anyway. Those are some nice hits right there. All right, so let's take a photo and then we'll post it up and go right to the next break. So Orelvis, Seth Beer, and Dollar Bill. Nice cards. Good names. Yeah, if you don't have shipping yet, then yours is still not shipped. Yours is pretty big, so it might be, boxed up, and a lot of times they do boxes last. So if it didn't go out today, I would expect it tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow is probably, they're at the very end, so. But yeah, they're done. So the only thing you're waiting on with Sapphire is just the print, the label. I had him ship all the Tatis to me. I was trying to figure out what you were talking about for a second.